Let's begin with a deep inhalation. Exhale. Hands on your hips and bend. Slowly coming up. Bend. Come up. One more time. Hold. And come back up. Let's bring our legs to a stretch. Grab one of your legs, press it back, hold. Let's do the other side. And release. Let's open your legs and bend just a little bit. Arms up just a little bit. We're warming up. Push out. Start pushing a little more and bend a little deeper. Palms out. Okay, slowly come up. Bring your legs together. Deep breath. Coming back to the side. Let's bend down. Arms up a little faster. Out. Eight more. Now take a deep inhale. Exhale down. Bend your ankles. Okay, arms up. Pick up your knees. Hold your leg up. Other side. Okay, come back, open your leg. We're gonna start with circles, palms into the center, big wide circles. Slow down, make them as wide as possible. Pick up one of your heels. And let's pick up the other heel. Come back to center, deep inhale. Repeating the same to the other side, opposite side of your circle, and begin. Heel up. Let's switch to the other heel. Come back to center, breathing. Check your leg. Māuruuru. Bend down. Heel up. Other side. Coming to center, deep breath. Shake those legs. Moving on to ope. To other side. Come back to center and take a deep inhale, deep exhale. Legs together, bend down, side to side. Arms out. Circle one side. Make a wide circle. Other side, wide circle. We're gonna switch sides and make our Māuruuru style circle, and like small. Other side. Breathe in. Shake those legs. Spread your legs just a little bit, bend down. Same Māuruuru style, so small circle, rotation. Don't try to go very fast. What I want you to do is to really squeeze those muscles, really squeeze the core, so you're still having your circle, you're still having your Māuruuru all around, and we're not working on speed right now. We're working on those muscles, on core strength to hold. So that's why we're not going very fast. Arms out. Notice that it's not a wide circle anymore, okay? It's not a tumami, it's a Māuruuru style. And bring your heel up. side. Let's repeat the same, but now we're gonna be with our ankle in an angle here with our heel lifted. Going down. Switch the weight to the front and lift the back. Other side, front heel up. Switch the weight. And come to center, shake those legs. We're gonna speed up a little more. So let's bend down and start with your thumb out. Arms out. Bring your hands to center and lift one of your heels. Make sure you're not bouncing. Let's switch. Heel up. Lift it as much as you can. Don't bounce. And shake the legs. Breathe in. Baru. Going down. Heel up. Other side. Lift that heel all the way up. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed. Engage your core. Center, breathe in. Shake your legs. And Farapu a little bit faster this time. And go. Arms out. Center. Arms out. Breathe in, shake the legs. Come into the angle, keeping our front heel up. And bend. Switch. Other side, keeping your heel up. Switch. Breathe in. Let's do a cool down. Grab your knee up, hold it. Other side. All the way up. Good. Let's open your legs a little bit. Stretch to the side all the way from your hip to your wrist. Hold it. And let's do the other side. Coming back to center. Stretch your thigh here. Put your knee back if you need more stretching, or extend the leg, whatever feels most comfortable to you. And make sure you're feeling a stretch from your hip bone to your knee, front of your knee. And let's do the other side. Good. Let's bend your leg on top of the other, stretching hip and knee, and bend down. Hold. And let's do the other side. Let's open your legs, squat down, lift your tailbone as much as possible, palms up, arch your spine so we're opening the whole back and relaxing your low back, and stretch back, breathe. Okay, coming down, you can wrap your arms around like this, just let yourself hang down, let the weight of your spine, of your head, pull the spine gently and swing. And let's stretch to one leg. And let's stretch to the other leg. Coming to center, slowly rolling all the way up. Heel toe your feet. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. And we're all done. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I'll see you on another video. Bye.